Now, children, today we are going to study about Bhosles of Verul. We are going to continue the next part of this chapter. All of you take out page number 10. Can see the heading on the book also and on the screen also. The Bhosles of Verul means these Bhosles belong to Verul village. Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verul, was a great devotee of Shiva. Babaji Raje had two sons. Maloji Raje was the elder and Vithoji Raje the younger. Means the name of the great devotee of Lord Shiva, Maloji Raje, father's name was Babaji Bhosle. And Maloji Raje's brother name was Vithoji Raje. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the rights of a patil in the Verul village. Means Babaji Raje Bhosle was the patil. He is the representative, he is the leader of the Verul village. Next para. Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje were both brave and enterprising. Enterprising means they both the brothers are very curious, are very enthusiastic. They always wanted to start something new, do something new for the people, for their people. They had in their service many armed Maratha troops. Maratha troops means Maratha armies. Troops means group of soldiers. It was a period of great unrest. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then the capital of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar was his wazir or chief minister. Means Malik Ambar was the wazir of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar was able and wise. Means he was very intelligent and honest. The two capable and brave brothers from Verul soon caught his attention. Means Malik Ambar soon recognized the two brothers. Who were the two brothers? Yes, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. They caught the attention of this Malik Ambar, who was the chief minister of Nizam Shah. On his recommendation, the Shah means Nizam Shah, conferred means given on Maloji Raje the Jagir of Pune and Supe of Paranganas. Means on the recommendation of Malik Ambar, who was the chief minister of Nizam Shah gave Maloji Raje the Jagir. Jagir means land. Land where was the land? The land of Pune and Supe Paranganas. Then next para. So after receiving this from the Nizam Shah, the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. Means the name of Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She came from the house of the Nimbalkars of Paltan. Means these Nimbalkars of Paltan, they were also serving for the Sultan. They were the, as we have seen earlier, they were the Sardars, Maratha Sardars in the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. Means they are working for the Sultan only. They had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Means Maloji Raje's wife name was Umabai and they had two sons. Their name were Shahaji Raje and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in a battle at Indapur. Means Maloji Raje died in a battle which was there at Indapur. At that time, means when Maloji Raje died, at that time Shahaji Raje was only 5 years old. Then Vithoji Raje. Who was Vithoji Raje? Brother of Maloji Raje. Then Vithoji Raje look after the children and the Jagir. Jagir, which was given by Nizam Shah on the recommendation of Malikambar. Later, he asked in marriage for Shahaji, the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav, Jizabai. Then, after some time, Shahaji Raje married to Jizabai. Who was Jizabai? Jizabai was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Lakhuji Rao Jadhav was also a very brave Maratha Sardar, and he was also working for the sultans. He was also Sardar at in the court of in the courts of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. Jizabai, the daughter of Lakhuji Rao, was well favored by the gods. Means Jizabai was very nice. Lakhuji Rao accepted Vithoji Raje's proposal. Lakhuji Rao was a brave and valiant Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He kept a large army of his own. Who? Lakhuji Rao. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jizabai with great pomp, means with great celebration. Jizabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. Means Jizabai became the lucky person, fortune you can say, as she was blessed with many qualities, many good qualities. So, all her qualities we are going to see now, all her qualities was greatly helped to this, was very great helpful to this Bhosle family. That is why it has been said Jizabai became the fortune of the Bhosle family. Children, these two pics are from your textbook only. You can see the picture of Shahaji Raje and picture of Jizabai. Now children, do one thing, revise the lesson nicely. Earlier videos also you have to see, and this one also. In the next class we will continue with our chapter. Bye children, have a nice day.